Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate cloud functions with IBM Cloud. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your IBM Cloud account. Once logged in, navigate to the IBM Cloud dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the resource list in the left sidebar. Locate the Cloud Functions service from the resource list. Click on Cloud Functions to open the service interface. Next, select the Actions tab at the top of the Cloud Functions page. Click on the Create button to start a new action. Fill in the required details for your function, such as name and runtime. Write the code for the function in the provided editor. Test your function using the built-in test feature. Once satisfied, click the Create button to finalize your function. Now, head to the Triggers tab within the Cloud Functions service. Click on Create Trigger to set up an automatic trigger for your function. Choose the type of trigger that suits your automation needs, like HTTP or event triggers. Configure the trigger settings according to your requirements. Link your previously created action to this trigger. Review your settings and click on Create to finalize the trigger. To verify automation, navigate back to the Actions tab. Run a test by manually triggering the event connected to your automation. Check the logs to see if your function executed successfully. Congratulations! You have successfully automated cloud functions with IBM Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.